Alright YouTube, so I just wanted to share this with all of you. Recently my heater core started leaking on my 2005 Lexus GX470, and as you can see, this is the old core here where it was actually leaking. And so upon a research, I found there was really no way around removing the dash. And so I started the job only to realize there was an easier way. So what I did was I cut the tube here, and then the core slid out from underneath the dash. Now when you reinstall the new core, you're going to do the same thing, make the cuts around here, and then get yourself 5/8 heater core hose and slip it on each end, and then push this back underneath the dash, and then from there you can reattach the tubes that run to the firewall. All right, hope that helps you guys.